All right, let's talk about something that sounds super technical, but is actually pretty straightforward and incredibly useful. Network attached storage, or NAS. If you don't feel like saying 3 whole words, think of NAS as the organized friend in your life, the one who always knows where everything is and doesn't judge you for losing your files for the 13th time. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger. Today we are talking about NAS storage. So what is NAS? NAS is basically a dedicated smart storage box that you plug into your local network. Once it's connected, everyone on that network, your family, your coworkers, even your dog, if he can somehow get Wi-Fi access. Instead of files living on random laptops, USB drives, and that one computer no one touches anymore, NAS gives you one central place to store and share everything. It's popular with homes, small businesses, and big companies because it's simple, reliable, and grows with you as you need more space. So what can NAS do? Spoiler, a lot. If your devices were people, NAS would be the family therapist that brings everyone together. Everyone saves files to one shared spot, so there are no duplicates, missing versions, or why is this file named final_v2_final_this one.doc? NAS is also your safety net. You can set it to back up your devices automatically, like a digital babysitter, making sure your important stuff doesn't wander off. Many NAS devices support RAID, which basically means if one hard drive goes kaplooey, your data stays safe. Pro tip, use the 3-2-1 rule for some extra peace of mind. 3 copies, 2 media types, 1 off-site. Think of NAS as your primary vault, but keep a secondary emergency copy in a secure cloud or remote server. A NAS helps protect you from a dead drive. 3-2-1 rule protects you from a total disaster. Got movies, music, or photos everywhere? NAS can turn into your own personal Netflix, minus the monthly subscription and the "are you still watching" judgment. You can store your entire media library and stream it to your TV, console, phone, anything that plays stuff. If you have security cameras, NAS becomes your crime-fighting sidekick. It stores your footage in one place and lets you monitor and play it back whenever you want. Perfect for homes, offices, and anyone who likes to know exactly which neighbor keeps stealing packages. Now, why would anyone choose NAS? Everything is in one place that you control. No more digital scavenger hunts across devices. You can access your NAS from anywhere in the world. At home, at work, at the beach. As long as there's internet, your files are right there with you. Like a loyal puppy, but made of circuits. Most modern NAS systems have their own dedicated apps, so it feels just like using Dropbox or Google Drive, but without the monthly fees. It's your own private cloud that you and only you have the keys to. Need more storage? Just add more drives. You can go with traditional hard drives for maximum storage or step up to SSDs for higher performance, zero noise, and lower power consumption, which is ideal for performance-heavy tasks. It's like very pricey Lego for grown-ups. I know grown-up Lego sets are already pricey, but this is more pricey. NAS offers things like passwords, encryption, and access controls, aka digital locks, on the digital doors of your digital stuff. So to wrap it up, NAS is a powerful, flexible, and surprisingly easy way to store, manage, and protect your data. Whether you want shared storage, backups, media streaming, or camera footage management, NAS has your back. It's organized, it's reliable, and it won't judge your file names. Let us know if you currently use a NAS system and what you think of it in the comments below, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.